everyone, you're watching Success Sutras. Today we are going to learn about the tricky words in English which are confusing. They look similar but are spelled different. They sound similar but are different in meaning. Interesting, right? Let's see some of the most commonly used words which most of us get confused with. Here comes our first pair of words, accept and accept. Accept is a verb which means consent to receive or undertake something. In simple words, we can say it's an agreement to receive. For example, I can't receive these gifts from you. Whereas accept is a preposition which means not including or other than. We can use these words when we want to exclude something. Let's have a look at an example to understand better. I love chocolates except 5-star. Let's combine these two words in a single sentence and see what magic these words does when they are used in a single sentence and give different meanings altogether. I can't accept these gifts from you except chocolates. Our next pair of confusing words are there and there. There is an adverb which means in something or at or indicates to a place or position. This is also used to attract someone's attention as well, like, hey there, how are you? Hello there, what's up? But this phrase can be used in informal conversations but not recommended to use in formal one. For example, we shifted to Paris in 2019 and have been there for a year and a half. Let's see what magic does these two words do when used in a single sentence. It was their decision to shift to Paris in 2019 and they have been there for a year and a half. With this, we move on to the next pair of words, then and than. Then is an adverb which means at that time, or it can be used to indicate after that or afterwards. Example, initially she baked for me, then I learnt it. It can also be used at the end of the conversations casually, like see you then tomorrow. Whereas, than is a preposition which is used while introducing the second element in a comparison, like she is much taller than him. Here we are comparing the height of two people. We can say, I sing much better than her. So again, here is a comparison. The magical sentence for these two words will be, initially she baked for me, then I learnt it. But today I am much better than her in baking. The next pair of confusing words are desert and desert. Desert is a noun which means a land where we do not have much water. For example, it's very hard to find water in this desert. Desert is also used to abandon a person, a course, or an organization. This is much more advanced way of using desert. Whereas, dessert is a noun which means the sweet course eaten at the end of the meal. Example, if you don't finish your lunch, you will not get your dessert. Let's combine these two words and make it into a magical sentence. Finding dessert at this time is like finding water in a hot summer desert. Most of us use these words in a very wrong context. This made me to create this video so that it will be helpful for all of us. If you also want to learn about the difference between study, read and learn, I have left the link in the description box. Please go and watch it. Hope you like it. If yes, please click on the big fat like button and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this.